In this video I'll be installing the second loft bed.
Welcome to Poppy's Trains.
Today from Poppy's Trains. I now have the large pieces of the loft bed in the train room. The next thing to do is to put it all together. It will be a slow process moving all these pieces around. Screwing this together is not all that easy, as most of the time I can't see where the actual bolts are that I'm screwing in. Getting in to do up these screws is not exactly easy. Well, that is as far up as I'm going with the steps. There is another one to go on top, but I won't be using it, as this top step is equal with the cupboards, so that's the level that the lower train will be running on. It may not be the right way of putting this together, but at least that's the way I'm going to do it. Well, that's got that part of it together. The steps and the space for the drawers. I've just got to attach the other end in the back, and then be right to put it back in its spot. Of course, I didn't leave enough room to easily get in to do this. I might need to find a saw so I can make a hole so you can get into this PowerPoint. But that's another day's job. I started making the big holes by drilling 4 little holes, one for each corner. It is not a perfect cut, but that should be enough to clear the PowerPoint. Oh, well, I didn't line up the PowerPoint perfectly, but that's good enough. Well, that's got the woodwork of the loft bed in place. And now I've just got to put the trains around it. Well, that's the loft bed in place. The top step and the glass cabinet, the top of those will be where the HO is going to run, and in that top section I'm going to put the G gauge. Well, that's it for now. Keep well, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you love trains.
Well, that's the loft bed